Have you ever wondered why a good joke makes you feel so happy? Picture yourself in a bustling comedy club, the air thick with anticipation. The comedian on stage delivers a punchline, and the room erupts into laughter. As you join in, a wave of joy washes over you. This, my friends, is the magic of humor. Humor and happiness are like two peas in a comedic pod, always together, always enhancing each other. When you have a good sense of humor, you're more likely to find joy in the world around you. It's like having a secret weapon, a powerful tool to combat stress and challenges. But humor does more than just lift our spirits. It acts as a fantastic stress reliever, providing a fresh perspective and lightening the mood. It's like a pressure valve for the daily frustrations we encounter, releasing tension and replacing it with laughter. So humor not only tickles our funny bone, but it also acts as a fantastic stress reliever. But the benefits of humor don't stop at personal happiness. It also plays a crucial role in our relationships and social interactions. Picture this: you're at a gathering, and someone cracks a joke. Suddenly, the room is filled with laughter, and an immediate sense of camaraderie sets in. This is humor, acting as the social glue, binding us together in shared joy. Let's dive deeper. When you make people laugh, you're creating a positive and enjoyable atmosphere. You're breaking the ice, easing tensions, and fostering a sense of unity. The joke becomes a shared experience, a common ground. It's a bridge that connects people, a universal language that everyone understands and appreciates. Moreover, humor is a powerful tool to strengthen social bonds. It encourages open communication, promotes empathy, and nurtures mutual understanding. It enables us to see the world through another's eyes, even if just for a moment, fostering a deeper connection. After all, who doesn't love being around someone who can make them laugh? Humor also serves as a compass to navigate life's ups and downs. Just as a compass guides a lost traveler, humor can guide us through the wilderness of life's challenges and setbacks. It's no secret that life isn't always a barrel of laughs. We all face difficulties that can seem overwhelming. But here's the thing: humor can be a life raft in these stormy seas. When we find ourselves in tough situations, the ability to laugh or find the funny side can be a huge relief. It's like having a secret superpower that allows us to face difficulties with a dash of resilience and a sprinkle of lightheartedness. It's a way of saying, "Hey life, you might be tough, but I'm tougher, and I can still laugh." Humor helps us see that even the grayest clouds have a silver lining. It reminds us that challenges are temporary and that with a bit of laughter we can bounce back and keep moving forward. So let's face it, humor helps us find the silver lining in every situation. So, how can we make humor a bigger part of our lives? Well, let's start with positive self-talk. Picture yourself as your own personal cheerleader, equipped with glittery pom-poms and a radiant smile. Give yourself encouraging and amusing affirmations. Remember, you're capable of tackling anything life throws at you. Extra points for incorporating silly chants and exaggerated dance moves. Next, become a silver lining seeker. Even in the darkest clouds, there's usually a hint of humor or a worthwhile lesson tucked away. It's like playing a game of hide and seek with life's hidden blessings. They're always there, just begging to be discovered. Now let's talk about your social circle. Surround yourself with people who know how to induce laughter. Spend time with friends or loved ones who can crack an excellent joke or bring a smile to your face. Engage in activities that bring you joy and laughter, like watching a comedy show or reading a hilarious book. Remember, laughter is indeed infectious. Don't forget to practice gratitude and find humor in the ordinary. Challenge yourself to discover something amusing or absurd in the mundane aspects of life. Whether it's inventing silly stories about everyday objects or finding humor in your own quirks, infusing laughter into your daily routine keeps your spirits high. And lastly, learn to laugh at yourself. We're all wonderfully flawed humans who make mistakes and have embarrassing moments. Instead of dwelling on these moments, laugh at them. They're what make us human after all. Remember, the ability to laugh at life and ourselves can turn the ordinary into extraordinary. So in conclusion, humor is a powerful tool for happiness. We've explored how it acts as a magical mood lifter, a social glue, and a life navigational tool. Humor helps us approach life's challenges with resilience and a lighthearted perspective. A good sense of humor strengthens our social bonds and infuses joy into our daily lives. By incorporating humor into our daily routine, we can foster a positive and playful attitude, making life's journey all the more enjoyable.
Keep laughing, keep smiling, and remember, a day without laughter is a day wasted.